what's up, guys? So, before I let the games begin, make sure like and subscribe. Kasi, 1 subscriber lang tayo. So, we are gonna hit dapat ng 100,000 subscribers. Yay!
Kuya, wait mo nang ako!
Yes. Oh, there's Mac, my friend.
Hi,
My friend's name is
Kinis
Mac.
naman kita.
Bayan kasi.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go in the one first. Let's go build the house, Mac.
OMG.
Which car should I take, guys? The Lamborghini or the G-Wagon? The G-Wagon, bro. Come on, bro. Let's go.
Doon ako talito. No, wait. Yan. Ah?
Okay, guys.
Right.
We are gonna build the house right here. Go over there and build the house, Mac. Come on,
Okay.
let's go.
Ooh.
So make sure like and subscribe, guys.
Kuya, patay ako. Kuya. Kuya. Patay ako.
Yes. Oh my God, ano ba yan? Wala akong extra house? Come on, bro. Wala akong extra house talaga. Ano ba yan? Bayan kasi. Oh, guys. I can speak Tagalog, guys. So, if you like my video, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. So, let's pick a house. What should I pick, guys? Comment down below and like, okay?
Like and big no.
Yes, let's go. Should I pick this one, guys? I don't know. So I can pick this one. This one is nice. This one is nice. The view is nice.
I can pick the no.
Oh, what?
Yan.
Hey,
Oh, tan.
come on, man. Come on, man.
This home open.
This is hard to park, guys. Let's go with a Lamborghini, guys. Let's go. Let's go with a Lamborghini and let's park it right over here. Let's go. The Lamborghini is nice, guys.
Bugatti.
I'm gonna visit
Kuya, yung
Mac later, okay? Let's go open the garage.
ito na.
Before I show you the tour of the house, let's go visit Mac first, okay? Let's go. Where is my friend's house? Let's see, guys. I'm gonna grab a bike so we can ride. We can go that way fast. So let's go. Oh, where is Mac? Is it this one?
This done.
Okay, let's go. She speak Tagalog din, guys.
I am tired but I love you.
Hey! on, open the door.
Okay.
Let's get this view 336 view. Let's go. And the like is 30k likes. Let's go, guys. We can do this.
Like.
Let's,
Comment.
let's go, Mac. Come on.
Comment.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, this is nice, bro. Where's the bed? Oh, this computer is nice.
Don't play it. Don't play
Okay, okay, let's go.
that. Don't play it.
Okay.
That's my next bedroom.
Oh, this is nice. Okay, let's go.
And that's my shower.
Shower, okay. I'm gonna do my business real quick. Where's the toilet? I'm gonna poop. Okay, let's go. Let's go back to the house. Bye, Mac.
Bye.
Okay, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, I almost fell.
Three. Ooh. Hello,
Watch, I can do a backflip. Oh,
me too.
oh, yes. So I'm gonna ride again my bike real quick. Yes.
And my scooter.
Let's go. Let's go back to the house and
I can play
on
the house.
afternoon we can go to the ice cream store to buy ice cream. Let's go.
Okay.
The afternoon.
And I can go to your house.
Yes. You go if you want. My
I want.
house. Come on, let's go.
Open the door.
Yes, wait.
I can get in. Oh, this is cool and salad. Wow.
And guys,
And guys, let's just get that beautiful thing. Wow,
I
this is
will.
cool.
Oh my god. I'm gonna go in the bed real quick. Let me show you the secret underground real quick. This is my safe. You don't see it? Just click the button. Yes. This is my safe. Let's go.
Hey, open
No
the
one
door.
can steal it. And you can get back up if you want.
Oh,
Hey,
no.
no. I'm gonna go in the bed real quick
Right.
and
Wait.
just go shower. Hey, no.